Welcome to a journey of unity, strength, and awareness. Today, we ride for a cause that touches the lives of millions: men's mental health. Welcome to DGR Distinguished Gentlemen Ride 2024. Across the world, men face immense pressures, often in silence. It's time to break that silence, 1 mile at a time. Our destination is not just a place, it's a message. A message that it's okay to seek help, to speak out, and to support one another. We're a brotherhood, and this ride shows that no one has to go through it alone. As we navigate these streets, we are reminded that life, like this ride, has its twists and turns, but with support, every journey becomes manageable.
My name is Shashank. I am your ride host. Let me tell you a little about Distinguished Gentlemen's Ride. The Distinguished Gentlemen's Ride is a global phenomenon that started in 2012 in Sydney, Australia, and has raised over $40 million in the last to shine light on bikes, the fashion, and it's all about being the gentleman that we are. It's exciting to see so many of you riders, and I would like to wrap my speech up sooner because I'm sure we're all feeling really hot right now.
We pause not just for a break, but to connect, to share, and to offer resources. Every conversation is a step towards healing. Our goal is to raise awareness and funds for mental health services. We want every man to know help is available and it's okay to ask for it. The ride may end, but the movement doesn't. Every ride, every mile, and every conversation counts. Here, at the end of our journey, we celebrate the courage of speaking out and the power of community. Let's keep the wheels turning. Let's be the change. Ride on, speak up, and support one another. Let's make a difference together. Thank you for watching. Remember, every mile ridden and every voice heard brings us closer to a world where no one has to fight alone. So this is your host, Tushar Dubey, signing out. Subscribe, like, and share this video.